Hi, my name's Allison and I'm a nurse with the Medical College of Wisconsin, and today I'm here to show you where to find and how to use fentanyl drug testing strips. To find fentanyl drug testing strips near you, go to harmreductionmke.org. On the website, you can scroll down and find the closest vending machine by selecting the vending machine map. Fentanyl is a strong opioid pain relieving medication that's commonly used in the hospital setting. And now we are finding it more commonly in recreational drugs. The danger with drugs being laced with fentanyl is that they can easily lead to overdose because you don't know how much you're taking. It's time to be more safe and test our recreational drugs for fentanyl. The important thing to know about testing substances for fentanyl is that you can't taste it, you can't see it, you can't smell it. So the only way to really know if there is fentanyl in the recreational drug that you're planning to use is by testing. What you need to test is a small cap, which can be from a bottle of water and water. You'll also need a testing strip and the substance that you plan to test. It's important to note that the substance needs to be crushed for testing so that you get an adequate mix of the sample. We're going to take a small scoop of the substance, place it into the cap, add water, and mix. Next, you'll take the test strip, insert it into the water. You want to make sure not to go past the line here, as that would result in an inaccurate reading. As the test strip starts to read the results, you'll see a color change flowing up towards the blue area that you hold. We're going to pull that out, and it will take about a minute or so for the results to appear. While we do that, we're going to talk about what these results will mean. So a negative result, you're going to see two lines on the test strip. Positive results, you will see a line closer to the area that you hold. And an invalid result, you would see that singular line closest to where you dunked the test strip into the water. So as you can faintly make out, we're starting to get two faint lines on the test strip, and that means that the test is negative for fentanyl. The longer it sits, the darker those lines will appear. Remember, no test is 100% accurate. And so even though we got a negative test for fentanyl, there's still a risk there could be fentanyl in the substance that we tested. In the event that your test does result in a positive result, you have options. If you're in a position to not use the substance, that's great. We would recommend not using it. If you're not in that position and you do still plan to use, it's important to be safe. And that means being aware of your risk of overdose, going slow and taking small amounts, using with others, or contacting Never Use Alone so that you have someone available, and having Narcan or naloxone available so that in the event that you do experience an overdose, you have the resource available to reverse it. Naloxone is a life-saving drug that can reverse an overdose.